Hi again. So I was re- recording a video over this performance optimization course of mine. Uh, uh, so how does this mirror muse or self-talk impacts your performance at workplace? Is the one issue that I was dealing with in one of the slides. Uh, that will be a usual question for those of you who will be enrolled in this particular course. How all those matters when it comes to performance optimization or your growth even in the or how does it affect the uh, workplace environment. So when you talk to the mirror, so you are looking at your better self, right? You are imagining your better self, how that self will be one day. So that dream self that you are imagining in front of the mirror, and so this doubts and this confusion and the anger, hatred, everything is bound to come up when you are uh, talking in front of the mirror, because in your future self those elements will not be there. So that is the first realization that one has when one goes for performance optimization. It is not very apparent, but going forward you will realize that everything, the way you behave, mind you, it is all about your aptitude, your perception, your mindset, and your sense of time, which matters ultimately. So if you want to be a joyful person in future, then those anger, hatred, and all the negative emotions need to go. So that is how it is not about success alone. It is, if it is to be abundance, then it has to be joy, happiness, confidence, and all those emotions also. So those emotions will not go unless one works on those aspects of your character right now, and it is dependent on several other issues also, managerial issues, and your ability to manage time, your ability to prioritize things, your ability to schedule, your ability to delegate. So all these are management issues apart from your personality. Your personality trait will decide how you will do all these things. So there are several personality traits also. So some people would like to be very authoritative. Some people will be very pleasing. Some people will be cooperative. Some people will be, say, um, of his serving mentality. So all these are part of a manager which comes together. So you cannot be 100% this type or that type. When time comes, at a particular time, you need to be everything at one go. Otherwise, you will not be able to manage your team or manage the task. So that is required, and behind all that, you need to be very detached from all this that thing happening, so that whatever reaction you receive, it should not kind of affect you. Now that also is a mindset one needs to practice. So for that detachment attitude to come, it takes a lot of time, unless you practice every day, unless you tell yourself that those things do not matter for your performance style or managerial style or your happiness ultimately, it will not happen. So that is why I have included so many simple traits and simple reaction of yours to the particular environment while you are going for optimizing your performance. Thank you. Hope you will enjoy this video and subscribe to it. Thank you so much.